Hi everyone, my name is Horia. In this video, I will talk about how we can find different product idea in a similar niche. I know that Jungle Scout and Helium 10 have tools in place to actually do that, but most random products that you can get, the better. So basically, we don't end up having the same product as everyone. I came across this method by accident. So for us, to succeed in Amazon, we have to concentrate on building a real brand and concentrate on a niche instead of concentrating on single products. So before we register a brand for the niche or for the product you want to register a trademark, you have to classify it correctly. So there is 45 international classification for each product. So if we go search UK trademark classes in Google, so using the classed list of products will give us ideas for new products. And the UK trademark government website makes this process very easy. So let me show you. So if we search that and we go to the search UK trademark, you can actually search by the terms. Let's say we wanted to search a random word. For example, wooden. Let's say wooden anything. So wooden spoon, fork, knives, and it might give me ideas of wooden things, wooden crates, pallet boxes. Probably this will be big stuff, but you get the idea. So you can put any random word and then you will get the list. The other way is, let's say you have a product, for example, vegetable chopper. So this product is extremely competitive product, but let's say we have this product and we analyze it and we liked it and we wanted to sell it on Amazon. So, and we want to register a trademark for it. So in order for us to register the trademark, either in the UK, US or Europe, anywhere in the world, you have to put it under class. So in the UK trademark, it says that vegetable choppers comes under different classes. It can be class 8, can be under class 7 if it's a machine. So whatever the product is that you're going to register, there will be a list of other products in the same niche. So we can actually analyze other ones. Let's say meat choppers, potato peelers. So we can analyze these as well. So we can take that in the Amazon website and do an X-ray on it and analyze it. If it's good product, not good product, you can analyze it using Helium 10, X-ray, Cerebro, all these tools to just decide if it's a good niche to go into or not. But you will have a list of so many products that you can analyze, okay? So this is maybe not a good example, but similar products, any product that you think of, if you search it or you found a product it definitely fits the criteria and you want to launch it on Amazon, then you can see what other products you can actually launch. Remember, we are building a niche, we're building a brand. So the most, if they are similar products in the same niche, first you might have one supplier. If it's basically, let's say wooden, I said one material will be one supplier doing this material. Then you have one supplier that provides 2 or 3 products for you, which is much better having multiple suppliers for shipping costs, everything, the relationship building, that will basically reduce it. And also getting ideas to launch. So we have the capital for the vegetable choppers, but we don't have a capital for the second product or third product. What we can do is actually analyze them now, and then as soon as we have the capital for the second product, third product within the same niche, we can launch them immediately. So that's an idea. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.